Meow. There's one. Pacey. Hey, Pacey. Pacey.
I tried to go on Amazon to see if I've got any money back on that ebook. I couldn't even get it to show me anything, so I'm assuming that I didn't.
I got her.
Thank you.
There you go. What is this, Kitty?
Shh. You don't have to scream. Quiet. Not right now. I'm trying to tape them. There's Mr. Smash. They're so cute. Where's little Pacey at? There's Mama Cat. And there's Pacey hiding in the back. Oh, poor little Pacey. The one trying to get my attention. What's the matter with baby Pacey? What's the matter? You're so sleepy. Just a little sleepy baby. Yeah, just a little sleepy baby.